Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you 5 very important points from the chapter Chemical Control and Coordination. The first point is that progesterone acts on the mammary gland and it helps in the formation of alveoli and thus in the secretion of milk. Secondly, we have a function of pituitary gland which is given in the summary portion, that is, it regulates the growth and development of somatic tissues and the activities of the peripheral endocrine glands. The third one is about the thyroid gland. The first 4 functions and the sixth one is given in the book itself, but the fifth one is given in the summary portion, that is development and maturation of CNS. The fourth one is that we all know that the water soluble hormones require second messengers and they get bound to the membrane, and the fat soluble or steroid hormones act intracellularly. We can remember the steroid hormones by remembering the word septa. Lastly, we have a function of adrenaline, that is, it directly affects sinoatrial node or SA node and thus increases the heart rate. So that's it for today. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.